Hey guys, it's me Maya, and today we'll be playing Murder Mystery. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, turn on your post notifications to be updated when I post. Shout out to my friend Bear, and there's another friend that should be joining soon. Let's try and get this vid to 2 likes. So yeah, let's just get started. Please let me murder.
I am murderer.
Mary,
I will kill you. What are you?
I'm an innocent.
And so we can do
I'm such a good hider.
Okay. Maya, the gun is in this room.
Also, guys, sorry if you hear background noises. My friend Mare Bear is on FaceTime with me, so that's also that.
Okay, so find a room that has boxes in it, but like the gun is in here.
The gun.
Yeah, so I can
Ski, I don't care about no gun. I'm just gonna hide.
go hide. I'll kill you. I kill you.
I'm not going to. I'm just gonna stand somewhere.
Just come into the room and get the gun, please. Okay, it kills a couple people. 1, 2, 5, 6 people dead. 7.
But yeah, guys, I know you're like, you've never played Murder Mystery before. I actually do play a lot of games behind camera, but off camera. No, I don't want to. No! I'm really bad at this, but my friend is requesting I get a gun and duel her, guys.
I'm seriously literally about to kill
I'm coming! Needy child. Oh, if you guys can't tell, we're twinning today.
you this way.
I'm stuck in the wall. There we go. I see no gun.
Right here.
Where?
Not ready, ready?
Oh, no! Gosh, no, I'm not ready.
Okay, so ready, we're gonna duel. I'm behind one door, go to the other door.
I'm stuck. I'm like really badly glitchy right now. No, I'm just gonna.
What? Oh, GG. Okay, and you
Yes!
I let you kill me. Well, I'm gonna kill you at 1 second. Maybe we left one.
Where's my friend? Did she leave? Yeah, she left. Alright. But, so I guess my friend is not joining. See, we're twinning, guys. She has better, like, knives and stuff. But we're twinning.
We have the same legs.
Innocent! Yay.
No, I'm innocent at all.
Mary, it doesn't matter if you're innocent. I mean, Bear. it doesn't matter. Like, I'm really glitching now. Like, I'm stuck in the wall right now. So I'm sorry about this bad quality glitching thing. Like, everything is glitching right now. So, let's stand here and see if the murderer realizes that I am not. Huh? Oh, the murderer just killed me. Okay guys, I'm really just like playing this game, but I don't know why I'm glitching. I'm gonna reset my character.
Were you glitching before?
Nope. Oh, now it glitched me out of the game. Well guys, I guess that was it for Murder Mystery. Go follow my friend, capital M, lowercase A-R-E, uppercase X, uppercase B, A-R-E, 23, uppercase G, I-R-L. But I want to show you guys something real quick. Are you just going to take forever to load? Hold on. Proceed. Beep, 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 beep. It's taking forever to load. Today, I'll be showing you how much money I finally got. This took me, deleting my city because I'm not ready for that. And then I had to delete this mansion that I was building, like to twin with my friend Mare Bear. Like, the girl I've been talking about this whole time. And so I deleted both of those, but that was okay because I really didn't want a city and I want to build a new mansion. So I don't know if she's talking to me, but I'm just gonna say that. Mary, I know. Okay, I'm fine. But guys, this is what I wanted to show you. I 101,533. So basically 100K. Okay, bye. I want to see what she's talking about because she's like, oh, sorry, but I built a big house. What do you mean a big house? Alright, guys, so that's gonna... Oh, gosh. That's gonna end the video here. I hope you all enjoyed it. I was kind of just gonna like play a bit of Murder Mystery because it was like lagging and stuff, so I guess we're not gonna do that. But you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah. Peace.